Peerless bathroom faucets come in a variety of styles, but all are very simple to install on your own. While they can be used in many different situations, this video will demonstrate installing a two-handle Centerset bathroom faucet on a vanity with an integral bowl. Our faucet requires 3 holes 4 inches apart. There are a few tools and supplies that you will need to assist you with installing the faucet. You will need an adjustable wrench, a tube of silicone, and water supply hookups for 1/2-inch IPS connections. In the box, you will find the faucet, spacers, lock nuts, and the pop-up drain assembly. Be sure to read all of the printed instructions found in the box. Before you begin your installation, you will need to shut off all water supplies and remove the old faucet, which we have already done. Make sure you have a clean area free of debris. Now to begin, first attach your faucet. Place the gasket on the bottom of the new faucet and place the faucet through the mounting holes in the sink. Make sure the gasket is seated properly and the faucet is centered and parallel to the wall or backsplash. If the deck surface is rough or uneven, use silicone under the gasket. Then screw the lock nuts onto the threaded shanks of the escutcheon and tighten securely by hand. If the deck is too thin to secure the faucet, use the provided spacers. Next, attach the water supplies. Make sure all fittings and end connections are free of debris. The faucet connections are 1/2-inch IPS fittings. Secure the supply hose to the faucet valves. Secure the metal nut on the faucet supply hoses to the supply valve connection and hand tighten. Then tighten 1 additional revolution with the wrench. Make sure you do not over-tighten. Repeat for the other hose connection. Make sure that the connection to the left valve is connected to the hot supply valve, and the other connection is connected to the cold supply valve. Now install the pop-up drain. Locate the stopper, brass nut and washer, black gasket, and the tailpiece. Apply silicone to the underside of the flange. Insert the flange into the sink and wipe off any excess silicone. Below the sink, install the black gasket, washer, and brass nut onto the flange. But do not fully tighten the brass nut. Attach the tailpiece and hand tighten. Remove the pivot nut from the tailpiece and install the horizontal rod and stopper as removable or non-removable. We're installing ours as removable. Insert the horizontal rod and hand tighten the pivot nut. Attach the horizontal rod to the strap using the clip. Install the lift rod and tighten with the screw. Connect the assembly to the drain. Last, flush the water lines. Turn on the hot and cold supplies and remove the aerator from the faucet. Turn the faucet to the full open position and flush the lines for 1 minute. Check that there are no leaks at the connections. Then turn the water off and reinstall the aerator. Following all of these steps will ensure a proper and secure installation, allowing you to enjoy your Peerless faucet for years to come.